I will now show you how to initialize the IMU on your EMLID Reach RS3 receiver. Let's now connect to it on EMLID Flow, turn on the IMU, initialize it, and let's wait for it to give us a tilt compensation is ready message. Let's proceed. We'll connect to the unit on the Wi-Fi, so it shows us here it's already connected. We've connected to it before. We'll close Wi-Fi settings, open EMLID Flow, select on the RS3 rover. We already have a fixed solution and it shows us IMU is off. We'll go to settings, we'll go to IMU, and then we'll turn this on. We'll see a message that says initializing IMU. Let's wait for this message to go away and tell us to move the receiver. Okay, now we move the receiver in a circular motion. Tilt compensation is ready and the IMU is initialized. We can now proceed to go under survey and make tilt survey measurements.